Hello and welcome to the Sister Cousins Lifestyle Channel. My name is Sandy and today I'm standing in front of my pantry and this pantry needs help. So I'm on my way to the organization store, not the organization store, I always call it that, the container store. I'm on my way there to get some inspiration for how I might want to, put this pantry together this year. All right, so I go through this exercise every year of trying to get the pantry together, and I'm gonna keep it together all year. This is the year I'm gonna be organized. It's rah, rah, rah. Yeah, we'll see what happens. All right, so starting up at the top, you can pretty much see everything. It's not too bad the way that it looks up here. Definitely needs to pull some things out, rotate some stock around, and get rid of anything that might be expired, whatever. This bottom shelf is what is a disaster. Now what happens, my 2-year-old grandson likes to come into the pantry. Now this is not a big pantry, okay? He's 2 years old. He comes in and he wiggles himself down in there. He just moves stuff out of the way. I mean, yeah, you get the picture. So I got stuff down here. I don't know what's here. I just don't know. So I'm looking for something from the container store to corral this stuff here on the bottom shelf. These things here should all be labeled, so I do need to do some work here and whatnot. And these are mostly like sauces and things like that, so they'll continue to be on my Lazy Susan. I started that about a year or two ago. Love that. Then my canned goods are here, and then down here, I don't know what's down there, child. But anyway, let's go ahead and go to the container store and figure things out for this year. But before I go running in there and seeing all types of neat ideas, I need to get some measurements to know what's realistic for my pantry. Like I said, my pantry is very small and my goal here is to maximize my space as much as possible. So I want to get something that will fit in here, but that will also allow me to continue to have a fully stocked pantry. I don't know why I don't do this more often so that it does not get in this shape, but it is what it is. Tell me, am I the only one? Are you able to keep your pantries together all the time? I just struggle with that. I really do. I want it clean, so I continually go back and try to start all over again, but it's just not my reality to have it completely together all the time. But I'm going to try for 2022. Now, another reason why I wanted to touch everything in the pantry and to take it out is to look at the expiration dates, make sure that if there's anything that is beyond the expiry date, that I go ahead and remove it. And if there's anything that has an expiration date coming up, I want those towards the front so that they can be used right away. I discovered that either some soy sauce or some type of dark sauce spilled in my pantry, and I have a disgusting mess here that I have to clean up. I mean, it is just caked on here, and I really had to put some muscle grease to it to get this off of here, and use some Awesome from the Dollar Tree. That stuff is awesome. It's really good for removing spots and things. So I got the shelf all cleaned off. It looks really good. So glad that I went through this because it was completely under the Lazy Susan. I had no idea that that spill was there. Now, the only new item that I picked up is this can organizer. I saw something similar at the Container Store, but I did some price checking and I actually found it cheaper on Amazon. So that's what I purchased. And I'm going to try using my canned goods in this. It holds about 36 cans. So, I'm just giving this a try to see if this works better. I like to try different organization systems to see if they kind of help me to stay organized a little bit better. We'll see how it goes. I mean, just using it for a while is the only way that I'm going to know. But I do like the way that it looks so far. And it definitely takes some of the weight off of my actual shelves up above. So I like that part already.
But everything is kind of fitting into place, and I do now know exactly what I have in my pantry, which is a good feeling. I know what I need to purchase and restock up on. I do try to have a bit of a surplus of food on hand at any given time for the just in case. And so now I know exactly what I have and what I need to have in order to have that surplus available in my home. Now, I do find other non-traditional places to store food, not just in my pantry, but that's all for today. And I'm happy with the way that it turned out. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, please don't leave today without hitting that like button, subscribe button, and the post notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload a video. I hope to see each and every one of you over here on my next one. Bye-bye.